Hi everybody, Captain Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today, we're taking you through our all-new 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. Walk around the outside of the boat here, you can see it's gray with the black accent. Come to the back of the boat here, you see a nice big 4-stroke here, 300 horsepower Mercury. Coming up our ladder, getting to see you'll have speakers in the backpack here, so you can listen to music while you're out on the water. And a tow pylon up here. Okay, you have storage underneath this seat here. And then this is also storage, but it's insulated, so there's a drain in there. This can be doubled up as a cooler. Alright, moving into the boat, you see our backrest here. It can be flipped forward to make a rear-facing lounger, or give a little pull in the middle here. We drop down into a full sun lounger. Alright, once again, your batteries are going to be underneath this seat here. And then this here is going to have storage underneath the seat as well as some speakers down below. In the cockpit here, you see this is a single lounge dual helm. So you have the 2 captain's chairs. Both of these are bolster. And this one is option with the ottoman here. So once again, insulated, used as a cooler. This is free moving, so move it around wherever you like. Cup holders on it. Alright, at the helm here, with the upgraded steering wheel, you have a JL system here, and then you have a Simrad glass dash. That is a Go 9, so a 9-inch screen. You also have a wireless charging pad right here. Okay, so going to the front of the boat, lots of storage underneath all of the seats here. You're also going to have in-floor storage, which is a nice feature if you have skis, anything oversized you don't want in the cockpit. So, once again, Captain Ben Beecher at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thanks for taking the time to go through our 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. Thanks, have a great day.